Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see introduction of Linux. In this video, we are going to learn what is Linux, why is Linux popular, and where do we see Linux. Coming to the first point, what is Linux? Linux is an operating system just like a Windows or Mac OS. But here is the key difference. Linux is a open source, which means it's free to use, modify and share. Unlike Windows, you don't need to buy a license. Think of an operating system as the bridge between the software and hardware. For example, when you click on the music file, the OS tells the hardware, your speakers, to play the sound. Linux does this job efficiently, and it's everywhere, from servers in data centers to smartphones, ATMs, and even supercomputers. Coming to the next point, why is Linux popular? First is a free and open source. Anyone can use or customize it. Second is a secure compared to Windows. Third is a it's a stable. A Linux server can run for years without needing a restart. In fact, many web servers run 24/7 without crashing. Fourth, it's a flexible. Linux isn't limited to desktop. It power laptops, servers, smartphones, and even smart TVs. And finally, career growth. Our next point is where do we see Linux? 96% of servers like Google, Facebook, and Amazon run on Linux. Your Android phone, it's built on the Linux kernel. Banking systems, ATM machines, stock exchange, and smart TVs also depend on the Linux. So that's it. Thank you. Please like, comment, and subscribe my channel.